Hello and welcome to Volkswagen Van Centre Lancashire. My name is Josh and I'm going to give you a tour of this Volkswagen Transporter Kombi. So it's a T32 Highline 199 PS 7-speed DSG 4Motion. So you've got your LED headlights at the front there, 4Motion badging. Coming down you've got your front parking sensors, going around to the side. You've got your 17-inch alloy wheels, and you've got your black sidebars just there, and your window deflectors over the windows. As you can see, you've got your heated and folding wing mirror controls. You turn it to the bottom, the wing mirrors fold up, turn it back to the top, the wing mirrors fold back out. You've got your headlight switch just there, you can set that to automatic. And as you can see, this vehicle's done 5,898 miles. You've got your traffic sign recognition just there as well. On this side of the steering wheel, you've got your controls for your adaptive cruise control. And then on the other side, you've got your buttons for going through your menu just there. That's the leather multifunction steering wheel. So you've got your cup holders on both sides of the dash there. Coming down to the middle, you can see you've got your DAB digital radio. Media, you can select your source just down here. Phone connectivity via Bluetooth. Got your navigation system, app connect for connecting via USB. So you've got Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Mirror Link. Got your vehicle information, and then you've got your menu just there. Coming down here, you've got your button for your parking sensors. So you've got front and rear parking sensors. You've also got Park Assist, which will help you park your vehicle. Just here you've got your buttons for your electrically operated sliding doors, so you can control those via the buttons here. You've got a sliding door on both sides, or you can control it via the key as well. You've got your air conditioning controls in the middle just there. And as you can see, you've got your front heated seats as well, which are separately controlled for both sides, and your heated windscreen button just there. So you've got your 7-speed DSG shifter there. You see, you put it into reverse, you've got your rear view camera on the screen just there. Just to the left of that, you've got a cup holder, 12-volt socket, and 2 USB-C ports. You've got carpet flooring in the cab, and you've got a single passenger seat with armrests on both sides of the both front seats. So to open this door, just pull the handle and it will open on its own. So you've got load lashing rings just there for securing your load. You've got rubber flooring next to your second row of seats. As you can see, you've got your carpeted roof with lights as well. To close it, do the same, just pull the handle. Your rear mud flaps, your rear spoiler just up there. On the tailgate with the window, across the back bumper, you've got your rear parking sensors. You've got your 4Motion badge in there again. Your rear view camera just up there. Go ahead and open the tailgate. So you've got rubber flooring continuing. Got more load lashing rings. You've got carpeted sides and the roof, as we mentioned earlier. As you can see there in the second row, you've got 3 seats, giving it 5 seats in total. To open this door, the same, just pull the handle. As you can see on this side, got your single seat, so you can tip that forward, giving you access into the rear from the side door. You've got carpeted tailgate as well on the inside. Just close this door as well. Opening the front passenger door and the flap here, you can see you've got your diesel and your AdBlue fill-up points, and then you've got a view of the cab there from the passenger side. If you would like any more information about this vehicle, please do not hesitate to give us a call on 01772 911 356. Thank you for watching.